Okay, perfect. There is a version of you that is just sitting in your head right now. She is perfect, like perfectly organized, perfectly disciplined, perfectly ready. She's about to start something big, like a YouTube channel. She's about to start studying. She is starting workout, journaling, everything. But that version of you, she does not exist. She's just in your mind. She's just in your head. You know what I'm saying? If you will be waiting for that version to do something, you will just destroy your life. Just listen to me. Your time is passing. Your life is passing. And that version will never come to you and be like, okay, let's do something. No. So if you're someone who says that I will start when I will feel ready, this video is for you. Stay please. So welcome guys. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jasmeet. I'm 17 and today I want to talk about something really important, something I genuinely feel guilty of. You know what? There is a difference between starting and just preparing to start. You know what I mean? I've done this with everything, like with YouTube, with studies, like with everything. I just keep myself telling I have to do something, I have to do something. I know what I want to do, but I just don't do it. I just keep preparing myself and I don't start it. Okay, so here's the thing. There is an image in her head always, like a perfect version of herself. She's perfect, she has her skincare routine, she goes for workout, she's posting consistently, she's studying, she's doing everything so good. She's beautiful. But that version of us is just in her head. She does not exist. And we are like, we have to do something. We know what to do, but we don't do it. We are like, okay, I will do it after this, after that, after that. But we don't do it. And that perfect moment never comes. That perfect time never comes when you feel ready. Okay, now I'll do it. Nah, it will never come. And I've realized that I was doing this with every fucking thing. Like, I'll start a YouTube channel after that, I'll start learning editing after that, I'll start share market after that, I will do everything after that, and that never comes. That moment never comes when you're like, okay, now I'll start. Now I'm starting. That moment never comes. Because your mind is designed to keep you safe, not to make you successful. And waiting feels safer for our mind than starting something. You know what I'm saying? And let me tell you the worst part. Waiting doesn't feel like a decision. It feels like you're a responsible person. You're so good. You're just being careful with things. You're not taking risks. You're being smart. Making sure you're ready before you put out yourself out there. But it is a decision. Every single day you wait to start something, you are just wasting your life. And I'm not saying because I'm successful or I'm doing something. I'm saying this because I used to do this. I was like, I'm just getting ready, I'm just preparing myself, I'm just learning English, I'm just doing this. I will start after my good camera quality. I was just preparing myself back then those days. And I didn't feel bad. Because I was saying myself that I'm doing something. I'm preparing myself. And you know what is the worst than a breakup? Let me tell you, when you are making promises with yourself, when you're saying this, I will do something, I will wake up early, I will do my homework, I will do my notes, and you're not doing this, when you are not being on your own words, that is the worst thing, because you know it, that you're lying to yourself. And that is the worst part, because you feel guilty then, you regret then, that you don't trust yourself. And it will end like this. You stop trusting yourself then. Until starting anything feels massive and scary, because your own brain has proved that you won't follow it. You're not doing that. And before we go further, come closer because I want to say something. If you're watching this and you're being like, she's talking about me, yes, I'm talking about you only about you. And second thing is, drop a comment below. And tell me one thing you have been putting off because you are like waiting to be ready. I will read every single comment, every problem, everything. And if I say this, I mean this. I will read them. And if this is helping you even a little, subscribe. Because this channel is about just real talks. Only about real talks. And let's get into further. So I was saying that don't wait. Then you are like, what should I do? What should I do? You just start. Start it messy, just start. I know it sounds so simple and so annoying, but I really mean that. You start the video with bad camera quality and having 1.5 subscribers, 5k subscribers. You are just studying even if you're having 30 minutes. You're starting studying even if you're not having a batch. You post imperfect thing that feels like fuck, what is this? You send that message you have been overthinking from a very long time. You begin. Because here's the truth that I took so long to realize. The version of you who is ready is only at the other side of doing a thing. So let me make it simple. You don't get ready and then start. You start and then get ready. What I said. You don't get ready and then start. You start and get ready. You know what? When I see my first video, those videos, I feel like fuck what I did. Those videos are so rough and I'm just rambling in that. It's so bad. But those imperfect start is so much better than waiting, because I believe slow growth is better than no growth. You just have to start it messy. Don't wait to be perfect and to learn English, to learn that. Nah. Show who you are. Just do it. Just start it. And I want to say one more thing, because I think it's so important, especially right now in 2026. Things are moving so fast. Like everything, trends, platforms, opportunities, they don't wait 6 months for you to feel ready. By the time you will be like, now I'll do it, they are already moved on. This is not about rushing or burning out yourself. It's about understanding that this specific moment, your age, your voice, your perspective right now is not going to be same and available later. And me, a 17-year-old making a real talk videos in class 12th is not the same as what I'll be at 20. The rawness, the urginess, the specificness of where I am right now, that is the thing people connect with. And it has an expiry date. So if you have something right now that you will never have again after 1 year, after 10 years, even after 6 months, so you have a choice. Either use it or wait it until it's gone. So here's how I want to leave you. The perfect version of you, she's not the starting line. She's what you become when you start something. And I'm saying it again. You don't need a better camera, you don't need a better schedule, you don't need a better setup, you don't need a better mindset, you don't need anything better. You need to just go. Okay? Because the messy version of you who starts today, she's so much powerful than the perfect of you who never does something, who never starts something. So just start. Until then, stay calm, stay curious, and keep building yourself. This is Jasmeet. Bye, guys.